Okay, now I'm going to show you a method of working with two different floor types or floor finish types in Revit. And of course, if you were working with various different slab types as well, you would do some of these same procedures. And as you see, we already have the garage in, which I had done in a previous video. This one I'm going to put two different floors on the inside with two different finishes. I mean, the floor itself or the slab is going to be exactly the same. However, the floor finish is going to be different. Okay, to do that, it's just like putting two floors in your structure. And what we'll do is go to our floor tool, and we want to either create, or we don't want any of those because this is a concrete slab. Okay, we'll use this one as a template, the 8-inch slab. We'll go to Edit Type, we'll duplicate, and we'll call this 8-inch slab with oak finish. Should be a slash there. All right, and then I'm simply going to go to the Edit button there for editing the structure. I'm going to insert a new layer, and I'm also going to bump that up to the top layer. Click on by category, go to oak flooring, click OK, and we'll put about 3/4 of an inch to the thickness of that. Click OK, OK. All right, and we want that oak flooring in this section of the building. So now you can pick walls if you want to, or you can just draw it out. It's probably, maybe a little better. I mean, it depends on you, really. Now, of course, it's important here to remember that, these walls are going to extend into, these floors, the finish of the floor is going to extend to under the wall up into the core. Okay, so there's no real selection here that will allow me to select like an exterior core face or anything. So I'm just going to kind of guess. And I think in 2020 also, when you do the pick walls, it has it actually places the flooring slightly under the wall by default. And so that will be our oak floor. So we just click the check mark, and now we have oak floor. Okay, next, of course, we will make sure that's not selected. And we'll go to floor again. We're going to edit the floor type once more, duplicate, oak finish. We're going to do tile. I'm going to edit the structure again. We're going to just take the finish we put in there earlier, and we're just going to change it to, I forget where tile is because I really don't use it that much. Tile mosaic gray, tall porcelain 4-inch. Kind of a small tile for a floor, but we're just going to go with it. All right. And okay. Now all we do, same thing. Okay, we just start. We want to be on the outside of the exterior wall face. And we want to kind of catch the middle as best we can here, or just kind of into the wall itself, and here the same thing. And that just helps us not have overlapping slabs. Not that it would hurt anything. Now realistically they're not going to overlap just in the program. Now I need to make this corner, clean that corner up a little bit. There we go. Click on the green check mark. Now I have a tile floor. Let's go check things out in 3D, and let's hide some stuff. Okay, so you can see the two different floor types, and you can even see the garage floor type here as well. Okay, and just to kind of look at the bottom, you can see where everything matches up. All the everything is all the same thickness of the different slabs. Okay, and there's barely a seam here. Now in real life there would not be a seam there, and I don't know if it's possible. Let's try it. If it's possible to do this, to actually join the geometry without joining the interior floor surfaces. But there is another way of doing this whole operation. Not join, do not enter. Okay, cancel that, don't worry about it. Okay, there is another way of doing this, and I will show you that on a future video, probably the next video.